their DS. I thought the eyeshadow fell out. Okay, in today's video, we have the Eyescream Beauty Box for July 2025. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this worth the money? Keep on watching. I just filmed 2 other unboxings. We did the brand new subscription from Eyescream Beauty with the try-on. We did the Eyescream Beauty bag, which I was so disappointed. And now we have the beauty box. So I do have the AC on, hence why the microphone is close. I know. Eventually, I'm going to stop telling you. I know. All right. We have no co-host today because I'm filming later in the day. So my boys are home and, you know, the dogs can't be bothered once the boys are home. They forget about me. You know what I'm saying? This is $30 a month. I do have a discount code. It is Justin in all caps. Will save you some money off. I make nothing out of it. It's just for you guys. And you usually get 5 full-size items. This is my absolute favorite beauty box out there. Okay, so for July, the theme is Roaring Summer Nights. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Occasionally you get 6. And then it looks like this. So, you know, you get these. I tell you all the time, they're biodegradable. So you can flush them down in your toilet. You can run water on them in your sink. Or, you know, you can throw them out like I do. I'm seeing something in here that looks interesting. So the first thing, this is what I'm interested in. I see it shaped like a little teddy bear. So what can you be? What are you? What you be? Liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, and it's like a greenish color. That must be like the color for July. All right. From Shatico Beauty. I love this brand so much. Oh my goodness, I do. So this is $20. It's called, does that say? Chroma Cub. Okay, and then it has a number 1 on it. I don't know if that means anything. $20, that's expensive. But they always have multi-chromes and everything else like that. I mean, usually they're beautiful. So see, it has a 1 right there. That is, look at that. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I'm going to keep this right on my desk. This is beautiful. I can see purple, blue, green. Okay. Oh, there's a little applicator. Look. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, wow. This is actually prettier than the Jeffree Star ones. Honestly. It is extremely opaque. Look at this. So it's green, bluish purple. I mean, look at that. You can see the purple that way, the blue that way, and look at that green. Wow. This would be a beautiful with my eye look today. Okay. I am wearing an eyeshadow that I got from the new subscription, the duochrome of the month subscription. I did a try on, so if you're interested in that, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I love this color on my eyes. Okay, so we have this. This is gorgeous. I am interested to see the other colors they have now. Very, very pretty. All right, the next thing we have is from Medusa's Makeup. What is this? Because it's gray. Is this an a baked eyeshadow? Okay, so the shade name is called Set List, and this is $14, and it's a shimmer. Okay, so let's see. Medusa's Makeup, I remember when it first came out years ago when I first got into YouTube and makeup, and color scared me. Like, I thought, like, orange or bronze, like that was color. You know what I mean? Like, I would never wear purple or blue or green or anything. And Medusa's Makeup had like the blues and all those out there colors at the time that I thought, so it scared me. So they had a subscription box, and I don't know if they still do, but I only subscribed to it for a little bit because I was like, ooh, I can't wear shades like that. So anytime I hear Medusa's Makeup, it's definitely going to be like colorful and beautiful. Oh, this is nice. It's like a grayish blue, not like this. At first I seen gray, but it's very pretty actually. Okay, so it's just a light hint of color, but it's very pretty. I didn't think I was going to like it when I first seen it. I'm not going to lie, because I was like, gray. But I can see this. Let me go ahead and get my setting spray and like wet it and then see if there's a difference. Oh my goodness, look at that. Definitely a difference, look. And then if you go in again, I mean, look at that. Can you see the difference? See, that's why you cannot judge a book by its color. It is, and I wish you could see it in person. I mean, it's definitely gray, but it has like this purpley gray color to it. Such a different color that I don't see very often. So it is, like, I would definitely wear it. Absolutely, especially on a date night. You know, even if you wanted to have a black smoky eye or what have you, or any type of smoky eye, and then put this on, I mean, it just adds that pop, like date night pop of color. This is pretty. I will definitely use that. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, here is another thing from Medusa's makeup. Is this the Hollow Glow? I think it's, because I have this, unless it's different, and that's what I'm wearing today. So this is $12 in Tiger Lily. Mine says Beach Bunny. What is this one? Oh, it's different because this is Aura. The one that I have on today is like a hollow, like this color. It's so pretty. Like, I don't even think you're going to be able to see it. But it's just like a pinkish, like very pretty. And I have that on today. Okay. So this one says Tiger Lily, but this says Beach Bunny. So I don't know if it's two different shades or what, but let's see. That took me a minute because it's saran wrap, so I'm glad. Okay, so this is oh man. This I will definitely have to give to my daughter. It's definitely too dark for me. Yeah, like I wouldn't be able to wear it as a bronzer. It's way too orangey, but also, unless I wear the as a cream shadow, as like transition shade. You know what I mean? It's not shimmery enough for me to wear as a eyeshadow. I'm curious to see what the Tiger Lily shade would be, but what does this say? Yeah, it says it's a highlighter. So yeah, this is definitely too dark for me. But that's okay. Like I said, I have my daughter and her friend, so it won't go to waste. So I was just curious. I'm looking under Medusa's makeup, and the Tiger Lily is like a pinkish peach, and that might have still been a little bit too dark for me. I'm not sure, but I could have wore it as like a bleach, as a blush / highlighter. I could have wore it. This is, like I said, I can't get away with this at all, you know? All right, so we have that. And then it looks like we have 2 palettes left. So what is this? Cheeky Rose Beauty. Why doesn't it sound familiar? And Glossy Baby. Have we? I don't know if I heard from this brand or not. Let's see. So this is $22. It's a lip gloss palette by Cheeky Rose Beauty in Glossy Baby. That's different. Let's see. Oh, the thing fell. It came with a thing. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Do you want to hear something funny? Years ago, when we had Slay Glam Box and some other subscription boxes, it used to be where they would put lip glosses like this. And I always said something about it because I wasn't used to any cream products, you know. I like the powders and the regular lipsticks. I just would be like, oh, I'm putting in a giveaway. Ew, like I hated it, you know. I despised it. But I like these now because I like to custom my lipstick. So if I go in with a lip liner or something, I would just go in with these, you know. So I'm going to swatch a couple because I'm going to use this. Like, look at this lip gloss. That is just gorgeous. Just to, you know. Okay, I'm happy. A couple years ago, I would have been like, not I said the fly, but I know. All right, and last but not least, we always get some sort of palette, and this is from Dee Dee Signature, and you guys know I love her formula. This is a pressed pigment palette. And it says Lioness Heart. $40 alone. Because Didi, you know, it's a smaller indie brand. Oh, this is so pretty. And now they have like a little logo in their DS. I thought the eyeshadow fell out. Oh my gosh. I literally thought the eyeshadow fell out. So you have these in here, which are nice. That helps it so it doesn't break. Wow. That literally scared me. These must be very soft. And look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta swatch a couple. Didi, you never... Oh, look at this. Look at this. I barely touched it. So just tap these. Okay. Look at this. Look at that's very soft, but it's a beautiful shade. And I went in a little heavy-handed. So this one's on my pinky, but look, this is the one that's very soft. It's a duochrome. But it's like a purple with gold in it. But look, this is a duochrome too. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in here. So that way it doesn't break anymore. I'm going to put this back on here. And I'll just swatch a couple of the mattes. I already know her formula, but I just want to make sure. And that way, in case you guys haven't seen it. Just a few. Look, I mean, look how pigmented that is. Come on. Oh, my goodness. It is worth every last penny. Look at that. One time. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's recap everything that you would get in this $30 Eyescream Beauty Box. You get the Cheeky Rose Beauty, which is a lip gloss palette. You get the Medusa's eyeshadow. You get from Chantico Beauty, this is the liquid eyeshadow. I couldn't think. You get, this is the only thing, only because it just doesn't, you know, I can't use it. It's the Beach Bunny highlighter. And this right here makes the whole box. I would be happy if this was, I just paid for this for $5. And that's the truth. That's how much I adore her formula. All right, guys, that's everything. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get Eyescream Beauty Box? Do you not? Let me know what you think of this. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. So the more that you leave, the better it is for the creators that you adore, because YouTube looks at it as engagement. So the more that you get, they will promote that video. Again, don't forget about the free gifts video. It's the Juvia's Place. I will pin a comment or leave it in the description box. Check it out. I have a vlog channel, Just Anne's World, which I'm getting ready to vlog right now. I'm getting ready to go outside in my backyard and just do a little chit chat. And what else? I don't know. Thumbs up the video, leave a comment. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. It's so weird not having my co-host with me to, like, talk to him or say goodbye or anything. Oh, no, I made a mess. I made such a mess. Bye.